you're looking at the best investment these equipment haulers ever made. No, not the equipment on the truck bed the equipment's on. It's Retriever, the first new idea in heavy equipment transport in 50 years. A product so revolutionary, it can turn making deliveries from an expense into a profit-making activity. Faster and easier loading and unloading is Retriever's primary advantage, producing lower operating costs and the potential for incremental revenues and margins. These gains are due primarily to Retriever's patented curved and hinged deck design, unique among all transport beds. Depending on the chassis to which it's mounted, Retriever's deck can be lowered to within 17 inches of the ground, which in turn reduces the ramp's loading angle to as little as 10.4 degrees, the lowest in the industry. The forward portion of the deck remains in a safer, easier to work on horizontal position at all times. All deck sections have the same anti-slip surface as aircraft carriers, which resists damage from even steel track equipment and is much safer than wooden decks when wet or oily. The curved deck and extremely shallow loading angle eliminate breakover when loading tracked equipment, and almost any equipment under power can be driven aboard rather than winched. A 26-foot Retriever can become a 30-foot deck whenever that's needed. The ramp can be locked in the horizontal position, providing 4 feet of additional deck space capable of supporting 8,000 pounds. Rollbacks cannot provide this versatility. Main ramp taillights provide legal FMVSS lighting in the extended configuration. Properly securing equipment is made quicker and easier with both front and rear onboard chain storage and 40 tie-down points on the perimeter, as well as another 40 optional center tie-down points that make side-by-side loading easier. Retriever can handle equipment weighing up to 30,000 pounds, allowing owners to use smaller, more economical straight trucks to haul a wider range of equipment, often eliminating the need for a tractor-trailer. Retriever's unique profile lowers the center of gravity, improving road handling, even when carrying maximum load weights. And the low profile also allows taller loads to clear most bridges and overpasses. For those hauling particularly tall equipment, Retriever offers its exclusive low rider deck option, a specially designed front well that extends the full width of the deck, sits 10 inches below standard Retriever height, which is already the lowest in the industry. On a low rider deck, more large equipment can pass under more road obstructions than is possible with rollbacks or most flatbeds. Look under Retriever, there's something missing. That heavy, maintenance-prone hydraulic system, the hallmark of rollback beds. Retriever uses the truck's own air system rather than hydraulics for power. This unique feature creates yet another valuable advantage, the no-idle system, unavailable with any other transport bed. An onboard auxiliary tank, filled to 120 psi by the truck's air compressor, allows Retriever to load and unload equipment with the truck's engine shut off. The exclusive no-idle system is an easy, economical, efficient way to comply with anti-idling regulations, extend engine life and maintenance intervals on 08 emission systems, and reduce fuel usage by 400 gallons per year in typical applications. Because the no-idle tank can be refilled to full capacity in about 5 minutes of normal driving, there should never be a time when the system isn't fully operable. It's truly environmentalism with a profit. No hydraulics and almost no moving parts means Retriever requires little or no preventive maintenance, and there's no cold weather downtime. In fact, so little can go wrong, the parts and service department is the quietest area of the company. The deck and 3-way automatic ramp are operated using simple on-off levers located inside the covered, lighted deck side control box. Deflating the air springs lowers the deck. Activating the air cylinders deploys the ramp. Reversing the process puts Retriever in transport mode. The ramp automatically stops just short, avoiding possible injury to the operator's hands. The final few inches are moved manually. Retriever converts the dead weight of the power takeoff and hydraulic system required by rollbacks into extra payload capacity, which is why Retriever can carry up to an 11,000-pound payload on a 26,000-pound GVW truck, a truck that can be operated by a non-CDL driver. And Retriever can pick up those loads as easily from a dock as from the ground. Sturdy support legs are quickly moved into place, and the deck height can be adjusted to fit almost any dock level. Two styles of winches increase Retriever's productivity: the center-mounted standard 9,000-pound model and the 15,000-pound traversing unit, which can pull on board as large a load as the truck can haul, as well as aiding in off-center hookups and making side-by-side loading faster and safer. Both units come with 50 feet of cable and available wireless remote control. One or more large side-mounted toolboxes can be installed on the chassis to keep auxiliary equipment close at hand. While Retriever comes standard with a federally approved lighting package, loading lights, safety beacons, and LED lighting are available options. The cab, of course, is fully protected, and optional steps and grab handles are positioned for easy access to Retriever's deck. The current Retriever line contains 3 models, and numerous options are available within each. Standard bed lengths range from 20 to 28 feet. Custom lengths are available. Bed widths are either 96 or 102 inches. Payloads start at 15,000 and go up to 30,000 pounds. All Retrievers are covered by a limited lifetime warranty.
Hi, I'm Joe Simons. For over 25 years I owned rental businesses and operated transport fleets, and I came to know all too well the problems with rollback trucks and what made tractor trailers too expensive to do the things we needed to do. So I set out to design a new transport bed that would eliminate the problems that we dealt with every day. Frankly, I think my guys overdid it a little, but that's good for you, because that's what makes Retriever such an outstanding value. The numbers prove it. Even the most conservative estimates add up to savings. Almost no maintenance costs, fuel savings with our exclusive no idle system, bigger payloads on smaller chassis allow you to eliminate the need for tractor trailers, just to name a few. Then add in productivity gains, bigger payloads, and increased daily deliveries, and Retriever will be the best transport equipment investment you've ever made. If you're looking for exceptional operation and an outstanding return, you've got to see Retriever. You're going to love it.
To learn more about Retriever and the guys who bring it to you, contact us in any of these 3 ways.